everyone, welcome back into Revit Architecture Essential Training of Engineering Insights. So today we are going to learn about creating Revit families and we are going to see about how we can create this type of coffee table in Revit families. So if you want to create this type of table, so follow my steps. First of all, go into families, then new, and as we are going to create furniture, so select metric furniture from here. So this type of interface will be shown on your screen. There are different commands like extrusion, bend, revolve, sweep, etc. And two reference plans are already present which will act as a frame for our whole work. Now let's start our today task. Going to create, pick reference plan from here and create random horizontal and vertical reference plans like this. Once you do this, now you have to put dimensions. Like I have to put dimensions like this. And one more dimension like this. You can see dimension of 482 here and 400 here. Similarly, the difference between two dimensions here. Don't worry about this. It doesn't mean anything. You can make them equal by click here on this dimension. Click equal. Similarly, click equal. Now let's assign labels to these dimensions. Click on this dimension, go here and assign label. This is length. Click on second one, go again here and this is width. Now go into right elevation. One reference plan is already present here. Create one more reference plan like this and assign dimension to this as well. Click again on this dimension and give the name of height to this. Now if you go into property over here, you can see that three parameters that we created. And you have to do following things here. You can go in width and say width is always equal to length. Now go into create again and at this time select the reference line from here and set the value of 200 for making the work easy. And just select these reference lines like this. Now select any one of them and give it to label that is side width. Now select rest of three by pressing Ctrl and give the same name to this. Now move again into properties and here apply formula that is length divided by 6. After this go again into right elevation. Add two more reference plans here like this. As usual, put dimensions of both and label them. One is called table TH and second one is glass TH. Now go into properties and assign values to them. Glass TH will be 25 mm and table TH will be 50 mm. Now let's make extrusions. For this, go into create extrusion and select the rectangle from here and draw your rectangle like this. You can see 4 logs are appear. I will click on all of these 4 because I want to make my extrusion constraint. Now click on finish and go into right elevation. Pick a line from here. Pick the top line from here and then pick top of this rectangle. Similarly, pick bottom line and pick bottom of this rectangle. And repeat these steps for all 4 sides. For the piece of glass in the center, again go into create extrusion, pick rectangle from here and draw a rectangle in the center and don't forget to click on these logs. Now go into any view and then again pick a line, pick the top of this rectangle, lock it, pick this bottom. At this time, pick this reference plan which is the thickness of glass. Pick this one and pick bottom of this rectangle, lock it. Assign labels and dimensions to them and put value of 25 mm from properties. Again into right side and create a rectangle like this from extrusions. Don't forget to click on these logs and create one more random rectangle inside this. Again, assign dimensions on all four sides. Click on it and change the value into 50 for these sides, and again click on this and change this value to 25. Now click on each dimension one by one and log them. So in this way, one side legs are done. Similarly, you can create all four sides legs by this process. So finally, our copy table is ready. You can see the thickness of glass in middle is less than the wooden part at the side of table.